Alright, today's video has nothing at all to do with Bob Dylan. It's another Eafengrow knife. Here's the box, Eafengrow. It is a high quality knife, you can tell. And the model number is EF927. Pocket knife and a camping work knife. So here is the Eafengrow. So this thing has got G-10 scales. It's got a lanyard hole. It's a flipper. It's got 2 thumb studs. And it's on ball bearing, so it comes out really nice. Blade markings. That's on one side, and the other side is D2. The blade coating feels like Teflon. Very slick. And it's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traction notches up there. Pretty good traction notches. On the, it's not really a thumb ramp. They're pretty good. And on the reverse grip, it's got like 12 traction notches here, which are kind of slick, but they're nice to have. And it's got a deep carry pocket clip, which is not too stiff. That's pretty good. And the cutouts in this thing are pretty pronounced. They're trying to make it lighter. Let's do a few measurements. And the blade is just a little over 3.5 inches. Overall length is about 8.5. It's got a liner lock. Centering is really nice. Like I said, it's got ball bearings, so it opens up really fast. Let's do a weight test. This is actually the only part about this knife I really don't like. It's kind of heavy. It weighs in at 6.35 ounces. I generally like to carry about a 3-ounce EDC knife. So let's do a little cut test on this thing. Here's some light cardboard from a letter I got in the mail from Metal Roofs. So it came pretty sharp. Not as sharp as I'd like it. It's not real bad. So let's do one final test on this Eafengrow. Let's try the drop test. It's a bit heavy. I'm not real sure that it will stick. I'll give it a try or two. It wanted to stick, but it didn't. Try one more time. Okay, I got a stick out of it that time. So that is the Eafengrow. It's a bit heavy, but it's a pretty nice EDC knife. I'm going to give it just a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.